Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we dive into the inspiring life and extraordinary journey of Sir Richard Branson, the chairman of the Virgin Group. Today, we'll take you on a captivating journey. From Branson's early struggles to his remarkable success in building an empire of more than 400 companies spanning the globe. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the life and business strategies of one of the most influential entrepreneurs of our time. Sir Richard Branson, a renowned entrepreneur, philanthropist, and adventurer, was born on July 18, 1950, in Blackheath, London, England. Despite facing numerous challenges and setbacks throughout his life, Branson's indomitable spirit and relentless pursuit of innovation have led him to become one of the most successful and influential business figures of our time. With a net worth of approximately $4 billion as of 2023, Branson's Virgin Group encompasses more than 400 companies operating across various industries on nearly every continent. Branson's entrepreneurial journey began during his teenage years when he dropped out of school at the age of 16 due to dyslexia, a learning disability. His first significant business venture came in 1971 when he opened a record shop called Virgin Records in London. This endeavor faced initial hardships, including an arrest for selling records deemed indecent. Despite these setbacks, Branson persevered and expanded his business by launching the Virgin Mail Order record service. Branson's record business achieved remarkable success, signing renowned artists such as the Sex Pistols, the Rolling Stones, and Phil Collins. In 1984, he sold Virgin Records to Thorn EMI for a staggering $1 billion, which provided him with the financial foundation to diversify his business interests. With a vision to create a brand synonymous with innovation, Branson launched new ventures under the Virgin brand, ranging from Virgin Atlantic Airways to Virgin Trains, Virgin Mobile, Virgin Megastores, and Virgin Galactic. One of Branson's most notable successes was the establishment of Virgin Atlantic Airways in 1984. With an emphasis on exceptional customer service and unique offerings like in-flight massages, personalized entertainment systems, and spacious upper-class cabins, Virgin Atlantic quickly became a leading contender in the highly competitive airline industry. Branson's unconventional marketing tactics, such as stunts like dressing as a bride to launch a new route, garnered widespread attention and helped solidify the Virgin brand's reputation as a disruptor. Branson's appetite for adventure extended beyond the business world. In 1987, he embarked on a perilous transatlantic balloon flight, known as the Virgin Atlantic Flyer, which nearly cost him his life. Despite encountering severe weather conditions and technical failures, Branson managed to survive and set a record as the first person to cross the Atlantic in a hot air balloon. These daring endeavors not only showcased Branson's audacity but also served as powerful marketing and advertising tools, attracting attention to his new ventures and reinforcing the Virgin brand's image as a risk-taking innovator. Branson's extraordinary success can be attributed to several key business strategies he has employed throughout his career. Firstly, he prioritizes customer experience. By consistently delivering exceptional service and disrupting established industries through innovative offerings. Secondly, he cultivates a strong company culture, focused on empowering employees, promoting an entrepreneurial spirit, and encouraging risk-taking. Additionally, Branson places great emphasis on partnerships and collaborations, leveraging the strengths of other organizations to fuel growth and expand into new markets. Among Branson's numerous ventures, some of the most successful include Virgin Atlantic Airways, Virgin Mobile, Virgin Galactic, a space tourism company, and Virgin Hotels. In addition, he has recently focused on sustainability initiatives, such as Virgin Green Fund, aimed at investing in renewable energy companies. Furthermore, Branson continues to explore opportunities in the healthcare sector through Virgin Care, aiming to revolutionize the way healthcare is delivered. Branson's journey offers valuable lessons for aspiring entrepreneurs and business leaders. Firstly, resilience and determination are vital in overcoming challenges and setbacks. Branson's ability to persevere through failures and maintain a positive attitude has been integral to his success. Secondly, embracing risk and pushing boundaries can lead to groundbreaking achievements. Branson's willingness to take calculated risks has enabled him to disrupt industries and pioneer new ventures. Lastly, Branson emphasizes the importance of putting customers first, nurturing a strong company culture, and fostering innovation to stay ahead of the competition. So, dear viewers, let's draw inspiration from the incredible journey of Sir Richard Branson. By embracing these lessons and following in his footsteps, we too can set ourselves on a path to success and create a lasting impact in the business world. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you enjoyed exploring the life and business strategies of Richard Branson. Stay tuned for more captivating stories and inspiring journeys.